the greatest moments in our society, it's led by everyday people.
When it comes to democracy, we are definitely the most qualified people to be fixing it.
You're the ones with the power. You're the ones that have to do this hard work.
Today we're having TED Democracy, a fireside chat to look at participation. Why would you have it at a former penitentiary? The social contract that we go into in a democracy is that we are protected and we ensure that we give people freedom. Are we comfortable with the way that we give people liberty and remove people's liberty? That matters.
What participation means to me is everyone having a voice.
Civically engaged, showing up.
We the people. The first words to the preamble of our Constitution have now grown to include people of all genders, even people like me with a previous felony conviction. In August of 2020, I was voting for the first time in 35 years. When I was approaching that polling location, I was walking on hallowed ground, and I was getting ready to engage in a sacred act that transcended the partisan politics, and it took me to a very simple place that said that my voice mattered. It said that I was finally a part of we the people.
There were these really important laws, and yet our politicians were completely ignoring them. That was because of gerrymandering. I hopped onto social media and I said, I want to end gerrymandering in Michigan. If you want to help, let me know, smiley face. Suddenly, I saw that actually a lot of other people cared. And we can't forget what kind of power that has.
How are you?
You'll remember, of course, that it was Ben Franklin who walked outside after signing the Constitution, came upon a woman from Philadelphia who looked at him in the eye and said, "What do we have here, a monarchy or a republic?" And Franklin famously said, "We have a republic if you can keep it." Democracy, freedom, love of nation, that's the foundation for everything. The best way to perfect our union is by having vigorous debates on those issues and arguing about how to make sure we move our country forward.
When we fail to take ownership of our greatness, then we allow other people to determine our destiny.